After ES and FSR steering wheel, today we're going to take a look at a completely new steering wheel from MOZA Racing. The key S is MOZA's GT style racing wheel with awesome butterfly design and a 300mm size. Now if we go from the beginning, the most important thing that we could do is mention all the features that this steering wheel has and how it's designed. Apart from the butterfly style, we have programmable short travel RGB buttons, Hall sensor magnetic pedal with dual clutch, open ecosystem, MOZA quick release, carbon fiber reinforced compositions, 3 rotary encoders, 2 thumb encoders and 2 joysticks, and finally the most important, it's backed up with MOZA pit house control suite. So let's break it down. I will skip a couple of them for now and start with the case, which is made out of carbon fiber reinforced composites, which of course offers durable and strong textures. I think you're already used to those. In racing you need firmness and security while going into sharp turns, which the construction provides, plus a quick release connection structure straightens it even more, and finally it is reinforced with high strength steel. For instance, you have another base, but really want this key S steering wheel, the open ecosystem concept allows that. So apart from being compatible with all MOZA wheelbases, it is also compatible with third-party wheelbases with an adapter to directly connect it to the PC. So let's talk about programmable buttons, right? The distance, the complete travel to actuation is 0.25 millimeters. So what does this mean? While racing, you're full of adrenaline and you're trying to think less about pressing the buttons in terms of is it recognized, did the actuation happen and stuff like that. Even though you're tracking everything on the screen, TV or whatever you're gaming on, it still is important that the press is firm. As you can hear, it has a distinctive click, so even if you're into the race really focused, you'll most likely hear the click. The wheel has 10 RGB buttons and 8 customizable colors. When we are talking about the feel of the press, it is really authentic with a certain click, as already stated, and because they are transparent you can easily customize them with the button stickers that are included. Quite awesome, I would say, to be honest, and gives that special feel for your new wheel. That wasn't intended, but okay. The RPM LED lights have 8 colors which are customizable and consist of 10 high brightness LED lights and offer 100 million combinations. Outstanding. With that customization on the RPM indicator, switch mode and timing, you're able to have total control of everything in terms of gear shifting and your car in the race. Now something similar that FSR wheel offers, but definitely different, we have a Hall sensor magnetic pedals with dual clutch. They are crafted from durable anodized aluminum, which offers outstanding feel of quality, sleek design and of course that premium look. They have 0.03mm precision, which is non-contact and gives you more stability and precise control. The main difference between these and the ones on the FSR formula wheel is that on the key S steering wheel they have pre-installed silencer pads for that smooth shifting and definitely less noise than the FSR. You'll be shocked with the total weight of this because it goes by 1220 grams. Now, because of its lightweight material and definitely more optimized structure, even though I honestly don't mind the FSR wheel since it has a screen and we're talking about 2 different wheels, this will improve responsiveness and allow accurate replication of the road texture and details to your wheel. Now the grip is also different. On the key S steering wheel we have TPE rubber grips, which offer soft feel, excellent grip for the accurate steering control. They are also coated with corrosion-resistant material to give you more durability and protect it against wear and tear. Regardless to that, what I would suggest, as always, that you wear gloves while driving in your sim rig, because that will definitely additionally prevent from wear and tear. Because somehow sweat does have and works its own magic to destroy the rubber, the grip or anything that comes in contact with it. So I would definitely suggest using gloves, any sorts, just because if it eventually gets some sweat on it and after some period of time while driving, it might get destroyed. I can't say anything with this steering wheel, and honestly, believe me, I won't even try. I'll use my gloves constantly, but you know, you want to have your wheel as long as possible, and especially with this high quality, and if the only thing that would be lacking is the grip, use your gloves. Now you're familiar already with the MOZA quick release, and this one doesn't have anything different. High quality, easy to swap wheels, and they are all, including this one, automatically detected on any MOZA base without any delays or problems. Now let's check the button system and pit house. Quite straightforward with all the buttons configurable with possibility to place stickers on each button, giving you an option to customize your wheel to your liking without a problem, and they are easy visible after placing the stickers because they are see-through. Now let's check more details in the pit house. You have a dual clutch pedal mode, so you can adjust the axis combine, axis split and buttons, with the clutch point being adjusted as well at a certain percentage. Band knob mode, 2 buttons to knob. You can adjust the stick mode as well as with button and D-pad. Then we have engine RPM indicator switch mode, which if you leave it to RPM indicator, you can go with mode 1 or mode 2, or if you go with on, it just switches to mode 1, where you can adjust the engine RPM indicator timing, so early, normal, late, custom, it depends on your racing style. Finally, you have to save the settings, and that's basically it. It's quite straightforward. Every individual key has its own settings, which you can adjust in-game, not in the MOZA pit house. So this is good because it gives you an option to, let's say, customize the entire keyless steering wheel to your liking, to your preferences, and to your driving style, which is outstanding because we get full customizability and a much better approach to the steering wheel in terms of adjusting everything as you wish. Finally, what I can say is another high quality from MOZA Racing, giving us a dedicated steering wheel for GT style racing. The material is as always outstanding, and I have no doubt that you will be satisfied with this one as well. It all depends on your racing style and what you drive, of course. This is actually what will determine what will you be getting when we are talking about steering wheels. FSR for Formula Racing, keys for GT style racing, and so on. Finally, this one deserves a PC Crazy Premium badge. Just simply love it, that's it. So link for the MOZA Racing Key S steering wheel is in the description below, so you can check out all the necessary information that you need. The enjoyment while driving, the approach on the buttons is outstanding. I have nothing left to say except if you like the sim racing content on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any future content such as this one. Thanks for the support, hopefully I will see you next time. Bye bye.